Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the status bar in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So what you want to do is launch the Waterfox web browser, and as you probably know, there are several bar types here on Waterfox, like the sidebar with your bookmarks, your browsing history, the top menu bar above your tabs that features these columns like a menu in most content creation apps, so you may enable that too. And there's also the status bar at the bottom that may feature or give you access to tools like the screenshot tool, the full screen tool, and so on and so forth. So if you'd like to enable it, guys, simply right click into that field next to that tab here to the very right and select status bar, or unselect it to hide it. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.